Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 4, Lesson 23. And in this lesson, we're talking about being able to interpret two-digit numbers as tens and ones, including cases with more than 9 ones. So looking at this one, we have our lovely little picture right here. And it has our place value chart, number 1 right here, which is 2 tens, 18 ones. We have to figure out what number that is showing. So first, I would look at this picture right here. And I would see if there's any more tens that we can box in to help us out. Oh, well look, there's this one right here. So now I would count how many tens there are. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 tens. And then how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 1. So it's 38. You also could think of it as there's just 1 10 right here in the ones place. So there's 10 of those ones right here. You could just bring it on over and add that 1 10 to these 2 tens right here. And that would make it 3. And then the 8 ones would stay. Alright, now let's look at this next one at the bottom. Now this one is 2 tens, 20 ones. Well, let's box in any extra tens that we have. Now let's count how many tens we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 tens, 0 ones. Now we also could have taken this 20, and it's actually 20 ones, and we could have moved it over to the tens place. So these the 2 tens are right here. We can just add 2 more tens to it, and it would be 4 tens. And then the last one. Looking at this picture, we're going to see if there's any more tens that we can add, or any tens that just were not bundled together. So we're going to box these in. Then there's 1, 2 tens, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones left. Again, you can look at this 1, 10, 14 ones. Whenever there's this 10 in this ones place that we can actually bring over and bundle it. So we know 1 10 plus 1 10 equals 2 tens. Then there's 4 ones left. So that'd be 24. Alright guys, that's it for this video.